Hi guys, my name's Dylan and today we're going to be taking a walk around our Honda Civic Type R. So it's a 2016, just over 26,000 miles. It's in incredible condition. We'll walk through some of the mods and the health report we've had carried out. So it's got two-piece EBC Floating Discs and Blue Stuff Pads, and that's just surface corrosion on there, so it just needs to be driven for a couple of miles and that will come straight off. And we've put in new discs and pads on the rear there as well. And it's got Goodyear Eagle F1 Super Sports, I believe, all the way around, and they're all on good tread as well. Beautifully finished in the blue. So more around the back, just open up the boot, have a quick look at the service history. So as you can see, incredible service history there. That's 5 stamps from Honda and then 2 independent. Last service carried out in July this year, 25,000 miles. And the health report as well. Got the tread and the tyres up there. And there's some of the modifications. So stage 2, TDI North and Airtec Intercooler, Eventuri intake and a Milltek Downpipe and exhaust. So incredible value for money on this, and the drivability is still there as well. It's not too much of a handful. The Civic handles it really well. It's a little bit dark in the back. Let's be honest, it looks like it's never really been sat in. Look into the front now as well. Got the nice carbon fibre around the air vents. So we've had the front bumper resprayed, so that's in immaculate condition. That's been carried out at the body shop, and all of the panels have been checked with a paint depth gauge, as with all of our vehicles. You can't rely on HPI these days. As we move inside, so usually you get some pretty heavy bolster wear. Obviously, given the mileage, very limited. Some beautiful seats in here. Much better upgrade from the EP3. So I'll pop the bonnet first. In fact, just get this started. The beautiful Honda gear knob, and the plaque just there as well. Not showing up very well. So, got the carbon Eventuri. That is the most premium intake you can get, obviously, for the FK2. And you can see the Samco hose kit as well. Comes down for the intercooler down there, and then the downpipe is obviously heat wrapped as well down there. You see the intercooler down there as well. So we'll give it a little rev. So obviously it will sound a little bit louder inside. It's a little bit echoey in here. Incredible noise. Obviously still got the VTEC as well, which is very nice. So it sounds really nice when you go through the gears, up through the rev range. So any questions or queries, please just pick up the phone, have a conversation. We give some excellent part exchange prices on any performance cars at the moment as well. So please do get in touch.